Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, coming from Aliyah, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, flanked by the people, happened to pass through a bazaar. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by a dead kid having short ears, holding its ear. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, would any one of you like to purchase it for a dirham? The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, we would not like to have it in exchange of anything, as it is of no use to us. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you like to have it? The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if it had been alive, even then it would have a defect. It has short ear and now it is dead. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the world is more contemptible in the sight of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu than this is in your sight. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7344.